back to BIMGen. In the previous videos of this series, we discussed how to draw wall, floors and roof portion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Soffit. Soffit is an important but often overlooked part of the building design, both in real construction and architecture. Here we will discuss what is a Soffit, what are the main functions of Soffit, and I will show practically how to create Soffit in Revit software. First, I will start with what is a soffit. Soffit is the underside part of the roof overhanging. It's the part you see when you look up under the roof edge. The main functions of soffit: it protects the rafters from weather damage, gives us the roofline a clean and finished look. It helps to provide airflow by providing attic ventilation. In Revit Architecture, soffit can be created as a part of the roof or added as a custom component for detailing. Next, I will jump to the practical explanation. There I will show how to create soffit for a building. Before moving further, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Let's start with the practical explanation. Here I did open Revit software. I will delete these things. Now I will show how to create soffit for this building. You guys can see here. So what is a soffit? We already explained. Soffit is a undersurface of the overhanging roof. This is a roof here overhanging, and this is a wall surface. This portion is called as undersurface of the overhanging roof. So we are going to model soffit here, and we already explained soffit is used to cover the rafter and trusses that coming out from wall. These are the structures. It may be timber structure or trusses. So we are going to cover this portion. So both sides is there. So I will cover both sides. For that one, I'll go to floor plan level 1 and I'll make it wireframe. Now we are going to model soffit for this building. To draw a soffit, I'll go to here roof option. Under roof, you'll get here soffit option. I'll click on the soffit and I will draw soffit here. From draw option, I will take line or rectangle to draw the soffit profile. And one more thing, to create a soffit, we need a closed loop like this. We cannot draw like one line and we cannot create soffit here. We need a like closed loop. It should be a close. Okay, so I will delete this one. I will select the rectangle tool here. This end portion of roof to the, this is the wall. I will end here and I will click on OK. Similarly, I will draw this side also. Once again, I will go to architecture part. Under the roof, I'll select soffit and I will take rectangular draw tool and I will draw from this edge of the roof to this edge. And I'll click on OK once again. Now I will go to 3D to show how it will look. Now you guys can see the soffit is came here. I will move down to remove the clash. Here you guys can see soffit thickness is more. So we can duplicate the thickness of the soffit. I'll select the soffit and I'll go to here property browser. Under property browser you can see it's 300 mm thickness. I will change it into 1000 mm thickness. And here soffit profile is clashing with the wall. So once again I will go to floor plan and I will edit the boundary. I will edit the boundary here. You can see here this is a wall boundary actually. I will align this line to this wall boundary and I'll click on OK. Now go to 3D. You can see it's aligned to wall. This side also aligned to wall and change this side soffit thickness to 100 mm. It's 300 mm. I'll change it into 1000 mm. I will go to front view to move. Otherwise you can go sections also, like I'll go to floor plan. I will take section here, section option, and I'll create one section of this view. And I will change the section view range and I will go to this view. Right click on that section and go to view. Now you guys can see this is aligned to, both soffit are aligned to wall. Now I will move this soffit to little bit above to attach the roof. So once again I'll go to floor plan and I will take this section to one nearby structure. So we can see all the elements to match properly. Once again I'll go to view here. Now we can see structure, roof and wall. Now we cannot see structure, it's a detail line. I will make it fine. Now you can see this is a structure. I will move this soffit to little bit above to attach here roof, and this side also same thing I will do. Otherwise you can move the soffit to direct by using move option. I'll select here move option and I'll pick this point and I'll click here. Now you guys can see it's aligned both sides. Now I'll go to 3D once again you guys can see no structure got hid. So main purpose of placing soffit is hide rafters and structures and provide clean finish surface below the overhanging roof. So this is how to place soffit. If it looking out, you can change material also by adding material. We can add this color also for this one. So this is how to add soffit to the building. Next we will move to the fascia component.